Stocks rise and tariffs wait, and your Tuesday pick of the day on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands, starting now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands for Tuesday, February 26, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. Stocks closed modestly higher Monday after shedding most of the gains from an early rally spurred by the Trump administration's decision to hold off on increasing tariffs on imported Chinese goods. Investors welcomed the move, which averted an escalation in the damaging trade war between the world's two largest economies. The fight is over U.S. complaints that Beijing steals technology or pressures companies to hand it over. Up next, it's your pick of the day on Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Tesla CEO Elon Musk's tweeting habits have triggered another legal challenge from stock market regulators worried about him using his Twitter account to mislead investors. The latest dust-up emerged late Monday when the SEC asked a federal court in New York to hold Musk in contempt for violating a $40 million settlement he begrudgingly reached with the U.S. stock market's chief regulatory agency 5 months ago. Allegations that Musk broke the agreement by tweeting without company approval could renew a debate about whether he was too reckless to continue as Tesla's CEO. Your Tuesday pick of the day is a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the research, development, and commercialization of antibacterial treatments for multi-drug resistant gram-negative infections. Achaogen opens today at just 80 cents a share at symbol AKAO.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, The Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.